Ronnie, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Showkit. Showkit is the next generation of mobile customer support and engagement. We power real-time visual communication inside of any mobile app, and our technology will revolutionize the way companies communicate with and support their mobile customers. It's no secret that the world's going mobile. There are nearly 2 billion smartphone users in the world today using apps, and they expect a great experience. They want seamless customer care right inside their app whenever they need it. However, companies are currently failing at this. So say you're in your favorite travel app, you're trying to book a hotel, and you run into an issue and you need to ask a question. Of course, you want to speak to a live person. However, today in most apps, these are your only options. These support channels were not designed for mobile. Companies are spending millions of dollars on their mobile initiatives, yet still rely on outdated, ineffective, low-tech channels to support their mobile customers. These customers are dissatisfied, and companies are losing billions of dollars each year due to poor customer experience. Customer support in apps should be seamless and contextual. It should be part of the app experience to reduce friction and app abandonment. At Showkit, we've re-envisioned the mobile customer experience. So on the right side, you'll see an example of an app with Showkit technology integrated. And on the left side, you'll see what the agent sees as the agent console. So as a mobile customer, I can request support right inside the app. Oh, shoot. Video. Well, there should be a video playing. But in the app, a video chat pops up. I can speak to the agent right inside the app. I can see the agent. The agent can also see what's going on my screen in real time. The agent can even join in and draw on the screen and even take over and co-navigate as if he was there right with me. Showkit enhances the mobile customer support experience by making it visual, interactive, and personal, which leaves both the mobile customer and the agent satisfied. Our patent-pending technology can be integrated into any mobile app with as few as 2 lines of code, and we provide a web extension that can be embedded to any agent console. Showkit is the only product that enables real-time co-navigation inside of any native iOS app. We provide seamless integration into any web CRM, and we also provide mobile-to-mobile communication if your mobile agents are supporting from an actual mobile device. So you're probably wondering about security. Showkit's real-time video and signaling data is all encrypted, and we use peer-to-peer networking, so none of your sensitive video data actually goes to Showkit servers. Last year, the CRM market was a $24 billion market, with cloud platforms accounting for half of that market, and it's growing. Telecommunications, travel, and hospitality are some of the biggest losers when it comes to mobile customer support, so we're focusing on those areas. So here's our business model. We charge a flat monthly fee for each agency in your call center. And with 4 million agencies in North America, that's a $2.4 billion revenue opportunity. Since our launch, we've been working with several companies ranging from startups to enterprises, and we've done about $500,000 in sales. We're also working on some partnerships and integrations with cloud platforms, app development studios, and outsourced call centers, so we can provide our product to a wider range of customers. We're currently a small team with a great amount of experience, and we're currently raising $500,000 to scale our team and also deliver our Android product by the end of this quarter. We're Showkit, and we're bringing the human touch back to technology. Thank you.
Thanks.
I'm going to bring my co-founder here, Emily, on stage.
Congrats, team. You mentioned you had 500,000 in revenue. Can you talk just a little bit more about where your product is and how your customers, a little bit about how the customers are using it today in a little bit more detail? Is the product live in iOS apps that I might experience today?
So right now, so we launched last year at TechCrunch Disrupt, and since then we've been doing several pilots with customers ranging from startups to enterprises. Really, the biggest use case is the kind of the concierge experience right inside the app, having that seamless customer support experience right inside the app without the customer having to leave the app, join in and try to get through our IVR system, and leaves them in the context of where they're at inside the app. So
with the $500,000 revenue, you have customers. I can experience it today? Like what might be an app that I would download to
So
experience
there's
it?
a couple of startups that have our technology in them. We signed a big enterprise deal late last year, and so they're currently integrating the technology, and they're running a closed pilot right now. So.
Yeah, most.
So what kind of data are you collecting from these customer sessions, and what kind of insights can you provide companies with? For example, can you tell them what the problem areas are within their app? Like 60% of users get stuck at this particular stage.
Right, so we keep track of the length of calls. We keep track of metrics on our platform as well. However, that's something that we're looking to expand in the future, making sense of what's going on in the app, where the customer is actually requesting service at, right inside the app. So.
How will you sell it? Will it be a telesales team or a download, or go through some of that?
Yeah, so companies can come to our website and sign up and download the SDK and get integrated pretty much within one day. There's an SDK for the mobile app, and then there's also an agent console portion, which is a web plugin that can integrate into any web CRM, or we provide an app that the agent can use. So you can be up and running within a
But
day.
in the future.
Well, yeah, in the future, but also what's holding up this large enterprise customer then from being ready like tomorrow?
Go for it.
I don't have. Oh, there it is. That company is doing. They don't have a call center right now. They don't have their own team. It's a really large enterprise company, and they've really been behind in terms of customer support just in general. So they're setting up that team and then doing the integration. So the holdup isn't on our end. And actually, they also, I don't think Anthony mentioned that we're soon to release our Android product. This is an international company, so Android is most of their market share.
And if the main use case is mobile, then I'm assuming that when a person faces a problem, he or she would only have their phone or iPad in front of them. How do you have that dual screen sort of interaction with just having one device?
Can you repeat the question?
So
Yeah.
you're talking about.
I think in your demo or in the presentation, you mentioned that you can see the customer support agent at the same time and also see your own screen. I mean, on such a small device, how's that going to be possible?
The video portion, can be very small. It can take up the full screen, and that can switch depending on the use case. But it can also sit in the background and just do audio.
Yeah.
What's the main value that you get from your customers get from the product?
Yeah.
What's the main value that your customers are getting from the solution? Is it the integration, with their app, or is it is there anything sort of user experience-wise that you assist with where you're solving a customer experience problem?
For the end user?
For your customer, for the customer that's paying for the technology, what's like the main problem that you're solving for them?
So, a lot of these customers that we're working with, we mentioned hospitality, they're used to doing business in person. They have a human element. They put somebody's face is there, you're shaking hands, you're walking people through your store, you're, signing them into the hotel. And when people go mobile, that element is missing. And so these are brands that are used to representing themselves with a human there. So it's like you're standing next to each other, but now you're looking at a mobile phone.
So it's making that live session easy,
Right.
making it easy to integrate live sessions
Right.
direct to an app.
Isn't Amazon doing this? Doesn't Amazon have some
Yes. That's
a
thing
great
that's sort of like
question.
this?
Yeah, they have Amazon Mayday, and it's only for their products. It's in their tablet and their phone.
Is it working? Do people use it?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's live, yes.
Yeah, and if you bought an Amazon Fire tablet in the last year or so, they have that live. And
So is this sort of like Mayday for everybody else?
exactly.
Yes, that's exactly.
Okay, with that, thank you.
Thank you.